ng Scrabble. You could suggest what words. Scrabble, there are 4 players or even 6 players. Thank you guys. At least mayroong sumama sa aking paglalaro. Ayan. Kaso nga lang, mainit pa rin. Ayan. Salamat guys. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako makapagbaba ng mga bahay niyo dyan. Pero thank you talaga. Salamat, salamat, musika. Mm-hmm. Salamat guys. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at that guys. Ang daming bunga. Grabe oh. Ang laki ng bunga. Ayan oh. Pomegranate. Ang dami. Grabe no. Bunggang-bungga ang bunga. Hindi na naubusan. Bunggang-bungga ang bunga ng ano. Pomegranate. Grabe. Limitado views binibigay sa short. Oo, Sisi. Hanggang 4. Sisi P, hanggang 4 na lang. 400. Hanggang 4 na lang. Yung short video hanggang 4. Sa akin 4. 100 plus. Ayan, depende. But I stick to food and vegetables and animals. So there are 3 things in my short. Animals, food, and vegetables. No, sometimes drinks. Yeah, that's include. Oh my God. Oh, so cute, the bumblebee. Oh, so cute, the bumblebee. Ayan. Kaya nga, Sisi, that's really true. Kasi kahit short lang yan, nag-iisip din tayo kung ano i-upload natin sa short. Sooner, hello ate, hello, don't forget mag-thumbs up, Sooner. Good evening, good morning, Sooner. So, yeah. That's really 3cc. Kasi kahit short lang yan, iniisip din natin ano yung i-upload natin na hindi pare-pareho. So, you were thinking, right? So, busy na ang school, guys. Good morning, Sooner. Thank you for joining. Nasaan na si Kanaan? Si Kanaan wala. That's really true, Sisi. Ayan. Ayan, pin natin yung message mo. I'm okay. Oh, that's great. What are you doing this lately? What makes you busy lately, Sooner? What makes you busy lately? Oh my God, she's so fast. I bumped her earlier and now she's already here. Oh my God, she walks so fast. Or maybe she ran. Yan, that woman. She was walking earlier. I bumped earlier there and she's already. Look at this. Guys. Ang laki ng mga apple, guys. It's almost ready, guys. The apples. Have you seen the apples? Yan. Ang dami. Ang liit lang ng ano. Did you see all the apples, guys? Did you see all this?